Hi guys, sorry for being away from YouTube for so long, and thank you for all the people who subscribed to my channel. I'm above 1,000 subscribers now. I am so grateful for all of you guys who subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I have been really busy with my 2-year-old. She has started temper tantrums now. It's like the terrible twos have started, and like my whole day, they're not easy. These kids are not easy. My whole day goes after her. So yeah, today I found time and I thought I will just jump back into YouTube and do this video. So I have been loving my Ipsy bag subscriptions. Ipsy, if you don't know, is it's a beauty subscription bag in which you get 4 to 5 deluxe sized or full sized products. So I have subscribed to the Ipsy bag plus variant. There are 3 variants. So the Ipsy glam bag, which you have to pay I think $12 for, that is the subscription price, and you get 4 to 5 sample sized products, beauty products and skincare products. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you pay $25 and you get 5 products, and most of them are full sized, beauty and skincare and beauty tools. So you get all kinds of products. And the third variant is the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, where you pay $50 and you get 5 full-size products. You can shop your add-ons, like the add-on products will be sold for like $3 and $12 and $18, like full-size products for $18, and those products, the actual value will be around $50, $60, $70, $80. So it's a value for money subscription bag. Like if I go to buy those products individually, it will cost me well over $200. So I'm saving like a lot of money on beauty and skincare products just by subscribing to this bag. Having said that, I don't subscribe to this bag every month. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with all the products that I'm getting. I would get like amazing skincare products, and then I would just pause my Ipsy subscription for like 2 months so that I use up those skincare products. I seriously don't like hoarding a lot of products. I don't like to see my dresser full of products, because then I get really hassled, and I just like to concentrate on a skincare regime which has a certain number of products, and then once I'm done with that, I can move on to the next. Earlier we used to get it in a box, but they have changed their style of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags. You get it in a pouch like this, which is super nice, because you can use this bag to carry your other stuff in your handbag which goes missing. All the small stuff you can carry in this, and this is a very handy bag. So this is the September bag, and it is fall themed. So you have the soft cashmere kind of corduroy kind of bag. I have got 5 products, and I have also got add-on products in this bag, so I'll be showing it to you all. So this is the card that came along with the bag. It says Good Vibes September 2020, and there is a nice message here: this month radiate positivity and a lot of stuff. And then you have some products which you can pair together, some information, get social, log on to the website, and all those kind of things. You don't get the details of the products on this card because you have it in your app, the Ipsy app. So yes, let's get on with showing you the products. So the most exciting product that I got in this bag was this Goldfaden MD brightening elixir. It is a protect plus repair brightening serum. I'm not so much excited about the brightening part as I'm excited about the fact that this serum is very good for photo damaged skin. So this is the product. So this is Goldfaden MD. It contains ferulic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin B and E. So it has been proven that if vitamin C is applied along with ferulic acid and vitamin E, the potency and the effectiveness increases tenfold. So yes, I'm super excited about this product. This is the serum bottle, if y'all can see it, and it is a pump type bottle, pump packaging. So I really love the packaging. I have not started using this as yet. I really need to start a new skincare regime, so I'm just waiting for some other products to arrive, my new Ipsy bag to arrive. So it protects against photoaging and free radical damage sorry, while leaving skin feeling hydrated and looking radiant. So this is a revolutionary antioxidant brightening and rejuvenating serum. It delivers an advanced boost against free radical damage, leaving skin firm, hydrated, and appearing radiant, and an even looking complexion. So yes, definitely gonna add this to my skincare regime, and I'm so excited about this. So that is the first product that I got. The next product that I was super excited about, and yeah, I chose these products. Okay, so about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the thing is that you can choose 3 out of the 5 products that you receive. You can literally choose all the 3 full-size products that you're receiving in this bag. So this is the one I chose, and this is the one that I got. I didn't choose this, but luckily I got this one. But yeah, and this, I think it retails for around $70. I'm not sure. I will link it down below. It retails for around $78 or something, and this I got in my bag. This is one of the products in my bag which I got for $25. So you can see the value for money right here. And this is the second product that I got. It is Murad's Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's a moisturizer with vitamin C and has sunscreen as well. So yep, super excited for this as well. I'll just open it and show it to y'all. This is how the packaging is. I have started using this, and I would say the texture is very creamy, and it smells very citrusy. This product is amazing because it has vitamin C and it also has sunscreen. So when I go out, this is like a 2-in-1. I don't have to put sunscreen on top of my moisturizer. I know many of y'all use these kind of products. So yeah, it's multitasking, and I always love multitasking products. It's very creamy, very moisturizing, and the first day I used it, I put a lot on my skin, and my skin was like super oily after that. But yeah, I learned the right amount of product to be used. The third one, which is again a full-size product, is this Ofra Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Truffle. If y'all can see that, it's in the shade Truffle, and it's Ofra's lip gloss, and this sparkles like anything. It's a beautiful shade, and it's perfect for fall because it's a brown shade, and when you apply it, it doesn't show up too much on your lips. I have started using this. I'll just show it to you on my hands. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, so it's this beautiful brown, I would say a pinky mauvey brown shade of lip gloss, which looks just so natural and amazing on your lips. I'll apply it on my lips and show you. That's it. That's all I apply. So this is another amazing full-size product that I received. Oh, and this is the one I chose. yeah, I chose the Ofra one as well, the Ofra lip gloss. And this is the next product that I chose. It is the Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer, and I chose this product. So you can see how many products I've chosen in this bag, and all of them are around the range of $25 to $35. So it is really value for money. Now this it has a blush and it has a bronzer. So this is like another amazing palette from Pacifica, and Pacifica is a brand which is cruelty free, it's vegan, and they don't have many chemicals in their formulations. So yeah, I like this about it. And so this, I'll open it and show it to you. So this is the blush and this is the bronzer, and what I like about it, it has a mirror in the back as well. So yeah, another amazing product, full size product that I got. So I got 3 add-on products, and this is the last full size product that I got. It is a small eyeshadow palette which I really like. It is like so perfect for fall. The shades are amazing. I'll just show you. This is the Oriza Beauty Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. I'll just show you all the shades. It's amazing. Can you see that shimmer? Yeah. So I have started using this palette and it's amazing. I'll just swatch it for y'all on my hands. So this brown shade right here looks like this on my hands. This one, the terracotta shade, looks like this. And this is a perfect transition color. Like, I love using it as a transition shade for my eyeshadow. And then this golden one, which I have not used much, but let's see. Yep, so it is a really nice foil. Can you all see that? It's a really nice foil kind of eyeshadow color. Yeah, so that is that one. And then the last one is this really coppery bronzy kind of a shade. I'll swatch it here. So that is this. Oops, it's not visible. So this is not that visible. It's this one right here. Can you all see that shine? This one. So these are the 4 shades of this eyeshadow palette. I really like using this as a very quick to create a kind of a very quick eyeshadow look. I use this palette right now, and these shades are like so perfect for fall. I love it. I have chosen 3 add-on products. Phew, it's not getting over. This eye cream is a full-size product that I got. I chose this. It is called the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, and this has a very creamy texture. It's a very creamy texture right there, and it goes on super easy on the eyes, and it's not very greasy, but it's a creamy texture, but it's not greasy, and it is super moisturizing, if you get what I mean. So yeah, it is a vitamin C eye cream, so you can't go wrong with that. So that is the full-size product that I got. Then I got another trial-sized eye cream. This was an add-on product which I wanted to try out. So this is the brand called Verify 2020 Phytoglycogen and Peptides Eye Cream. I really wanted to try this product, so I got that. I have not started using it. I will be very soon. This is a very cute product. It is a trial size, but nonetheless very cute. And this is an add-on product. This is an add-on product that I got along with my bag. This is the Tarte mascara in Big Ego. That's the name of the mascara. Yeah, I have not started using this, but I have used other Tarte mascaras, and I should say that they are very volumizing and lengthening. All the Tarte mascaras I like, but the only problem I have with Tarte mascaras are that they dry out very soon. They dry out very fast. So that's the only complaint that I have with Tarte mascaras. I will be doing a video about my favorite mascaras. I have a collection of mascaras now from Ipsy and elsewhere. So I will be doing a video about my favorite mascaras. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is just a cute add-on product that I got. Yep. So that is that, guys. This is the eyeshadow that I mentioned earlier. That is all that I received in my September Ipsy bag. I am waiting for my October Ipsy bag. I should get it maybe tomorrow or day after. So I will make a video about that as well. And what else? If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Hope you guys stick on, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and helping it reach 1,000 subscribers. I love you all. Keep on watching, keep on sharing, keep on subscribing. I'm so thankful every day for you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.